this video, I'm going to demonstrate how far Windows NT can go with official and unofficial compatible software. Windows NT is an extremely outdated operating system, even with the latest security patches and updates installed. It's not always safe to use, especially when connecting it to the internet in general. This is a fresh install of NT version 4.0 with Service Pack 6 installed, so VMware tools can run properly. And these are the essentials that I installed previously on 95, 98, and ME, 7-zip, and Visual C++ 2005. 7-zip will install and run, but the GUI window doesn't open. I had to use the right-click menu to extract archives. Visual C++ 2005 will encounter an error when installing it. Kernel X also won't work on Windows NT, which means that I won't be able to install any newer software. These are the programs that I'm going to install, starting with a web browser, which is RetroZilla. I've installed it already on Windows 95. It does install and run natively without issues, and it's the same for NT. As you can see, it does work, and it's able to load pages. HTML5 test won't work on this browser because it cannot load the website properly. For an Office editor, OpenOffice version 1.1 is the only one that can run on NT besides the original Microsoft Office. I've tried other versions, but this is the only one that installs and runs properly. I only was able to find the French version of OpenOffice 1.1. It comes with multiple editors, almost the same as Microsoft Office. And lastly, Windows Media Player version 6.4 as a better media player than the one that comes with NT. VLC won't be able to run on NT. Winamp is also a good alternative. That's pretty much it for Windows NT. It's a 30-year-old operating system after all, and you can't do much with it.